Hi and welcome to another video of Made by Siem. This is an introduction video. The introduction for 6 new videos and one just a little bit older video. But that video, that item out of that video matches this set perfectly. At least in my opinion. So, for Christmas, I wanted to make something beautiful for my guests, for ourselves, and I decided to come up with a placemat for Christmas. But you can make it, you know, for any other occasion or just for fun or whatever you like for during the year. I made mine in a beautiful yarn with a, I'm not sure if you can see it, with a gold glitz in it. But I also made it in typical Christmas colors, red and white. This one is also with a glitz in it. You don't have to use yarn like this. You can use any other cotton yarn that you like. But I wanted to make it for Christmas, so I made this one. So, and then I made another item. This is the Waxine Light coaster. Waxine Light coaster. I love it. This one is made in red, and this one was made in 100% cotton. It's all, I think it's a fine weight too, a sports weight. Beautiful yarn. And then gold color. It looks like really bright yellow, but it's more the warmer kind of yellow instead of bright yellow. I think my my lamps that I use for filming and the camera, they don't do this yarn any justice at all. But well, then here is the big coaster that matches this set perfectly. Then the candlelight cozy. I have a few other patterns with candlelight cozies as well, but I like this one really. I like it a lot. And yesterday when I was taking photos, I had a little bit of an accident. Don't tell anyone. It happened to all 3 of my candlelight cozies. But wow. So that's another one. Then a bigger mandala seam pattern, slightly different at the very end. This is a big one, and then a smaller one. Made that one as well. This one I got in white as well, but this one is like really loose. So I changed the pattern a little bit, just here, and it looks a lot better. Telling that into the video how you do that. And then last but not least, this is an old one. This one is already on my YouTube channel. This is the small chandelier, but this one matches the set perfectly. So therefore I'm gonna make a playlist with my English videos, and this one will be at the very end. I'm gonna put it in there but it'll be the last one in the list, I think. So that's basically it. I'm going to start off with the Waxine Light cozies. It's a cozy. Waxine Light cozy. Then the placemat, then the candlelight cozy, then the big mandala, then the coasters, then the small mandala, and then the small chandelier. And the name of the complete set will be, well, you probably saw it already in the title, Cozy Moments by Siem. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this little journey with me. I absolutely loved it to make it for you guys. If you have watched any of my other videos, then you do know that English is not my main language. So if I do say something incorrect, don't hate me. I'm sorry, but my mother language is Dutch. So I did my very best to make this video for you guys in English too. I got a lot of requests on doing my videos in English. So I did my very best for you guys. Anyway, this is just the introduction video. I will try to put the first video on as soon as possible. Still need to do some work on that. And my hubby is helping me out on editing the videos, because I'm not, at the moment it's hard for me to do the videos completely by myself. But I'll get there. And I will see you guys as soon as the next video is online. For now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will be excited to go and watch these videos, and yeah, see you soon. And for now, please do not forget to enjoy and stay safe. Bye for now. All the information about where to buy yarn, what yarn I used, how much yarn I used, what size of the rings you should use, all that information you can find that in the beginning of the tutorial that will be online soon. Alright? See you guys soon. Bye.